Toyota just revamped what we thought was going to be the Corolla Cross. This, ladies and gentlemen, is no ordinary suburban crossover. This is a 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, reimagined with sharp lines, muscular curves, and futuristic aggression that screams performance and style. From the front, you can tell right away that Toyota means business. The grille is massive, with a wide honeycomb mesh that merges with angled, blade-like air intakes. The headlights are razor-sharp and feature sleek LED strips that give a stealthy cyberpunk vibe. This front end could easily be mistaken for a high-end performance SUV. Think GR-inspired design on steroids. Move to the side, and things get even more aggressive. The fender flares are exaggerated and squared off, hinting at off-road capability, but it's the lower stance and wide wheels that really give the silhouette a sporty feel. Black accents along the windows and door trim contrast nicely with the pearlescent white paint, while sculpted lines flow prominently from front to back. Now, let's talk about that bold rear end. A wide LED light bar dominates the tailgate, seamlessly integrating the taillights into a futuristic spotlight. The bumper is very stylish with a large faux diffuser and dual exhaust outlets, hinting at the powerful IC or hybrid powertrain beneath. The spoiler is large and angular, sitting like a crown atop the aggressive tailgate. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed what's under the hood of this futuristic trim, we're expecting a high horsepower 2.0 L turbocharged inline, 4 or even new plug-in hybrid setup that produces more than 250 horsepower. All-wheel drive seems inevitable, especially with its performance-tuned stance. It would be a perfect rival to something like the Mazda CX-50 Turbo or even a lower-tier performance EV crossover. Inside, a digital cockpit is complete with a large curved infotainment screen, haptic feedback buttons, ambient lighting that flows through the doors, and perhaps a fighter jet-inspired gear selector. Toyota's latest infotainment system, with voice AI and full smartphone integration, will be standard. Seating? Perhaps a mix of suede, leather, and carbon fiber style trim, all meant to reflect an aggressive exterior. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross isn't just a facelift, it's a transformation. If Toyota brings this aggressive styling and performance production, it could shake up the compact SUV market like never before. It's bold, it looks fast, and it proves that practical crossovers don't have to be boring. What do you think? Should Toyota make it like this? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more futuristic car reviews.